Hi, this is another lecture of CSS. You know that in first lecture I have discussed about inline styles. What is inline style in CSS? Using font dialog, font and font properties like size, style, font family and color, and so on. Today is our next lecture of CSS, that is what? Internal styles. Okay, must be in add section. Internal styles in HTML head tag like style/style. In style body you can define font color, font style and paragraph, text, size and style, and so on. But first you must represent this into body section like here, like h1, and I am calling here in style h1, paragraph p and calling here. For what style you want to give into style body section. Okay, let's do it into practical. How to do this using Sublime. I am opening Sublime and save it. Onto a desktop like CSS2.html. Save it. No, this file is already CSS1. Just here type 2. Okay, now like here type HTML, and this is what? Internal style, CSS internal style. In the body section, like I want to give an heading CSS internal style. Now first you must define here, like I want to define here any heading. For example, we want to define h2 heading. Okay, for example, like here, this is CSS lecture 2. Okay, and also we want to type here paragraph. It is a stylish language. Okay, just we want to run this. Are you seeing here? Okay, H1 take, H2 take, and this is a paragraph take, and this is a title. Now how to define it into internal style? And what is today our lecture is what? Internal style. Okay, you must define internal style into body section into HTML. How to define this? Like here. Okay, first we want to style. Okay, and you must close this style. Okay, now see how to write here CSS styling code. See the techniques of this style and closed style. H1, okay, I am calling H1 heading 1 into body section. Calling is where? Style section. H1 then start parenthesis. Okay, start bracket. Okay, these brackets. This is called braces. Start and closed braces. Now, okay, this is new. Okay, braces, because you have not studied already in HTML. This is a new in CSS. What is braces? When you want to start any tag, for example H1 paragraph, you must start that tag braces. Start braces and close braces. Then we want to change the color and text decoration. How to change this? This is very simple. Okay, like H1 and here start braces. Okay, this is start braces and close braces. Now color like green, closed with semicolon. You must close it and save it. Now we want to run this. Refresh this. Color is changed. Okay, this section has been completed. Now text decoration. Text decoration. This is the text decoration, like underline. You must close with semicolon. Otherwise syntax error will occur when you omit semicolon. This is the underline. Now next one is what? Paragraph. P font size 25 pixels. Font family Tribute. Okay, MS, and so on. It totally depends on you which font style you want to give. You want to style that font. Okay, now I'll show you how to style that paragraph. Okay, like here we already mentioned here. This is a paragraph section. Okay, now I'll show you how to do this. Like P is a paragraph and to this. Okay, how to do this? This is very simple. Like font size, for example 24 pixels, semicolon as closed. C onto a screen. Or you can also give, for example, we want to 29 pixels. In HTML, you are increasing font size just 7. Here is a pixels. Okay, when you want to greater than 7 font size, then you can use pixels in CSS. It's easy in CSS and multiple options like it. Okay, and here now I want to, here is font family, like this. Give any style. If you don't know what is impact, see lectures of HTML. I have already discussed in detail in HTML what is font style, what is impact, Arial, like other font styles, sans serif. Here I am using impact. Closed and save it. Now see on a website like here and refresh this. This is a impact style. And so on. Now you can see this here, like okay, H1 is adding style and P is a paragraph, like font size 25 pixels, font family, tribute, MS or sans serif, as you want. It is your choice. Okay, you can give style tribute or sans serif, Arial, impact, as so on. Okay, and you can also change it like just only one style. Okay, you can use it, tribute, MS or any. These are the code of internal style. Okay, we will discuss in great detail in other lectures. Okay, here is whole code of this. Like here, are you seeing? Then here, this code and this is the body section. Okay, and this is the add section. As you see here, these are the add section. This is the add section. This is the two styles and H1 adding and P paragraph. You must call it into style. Okay, if you have any problems or confusion about this lecture, comment below description of this video. Okay, I'll revert back as soon as possible. Thanks.